Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on Doogee Blade 20 Max. Okay, so before we launch our WhatsApp, we need to launch our settings and we need to make sure that we are logged into proper Google account. So scroll all the way down, find Google. Okay, and in that place, simply make sure that you're logged into the same Google account that you have selected before in the moment when you were creating your backup. It is really important because if you'll be logged into wrong account, you won't have possibility to restore your chats. So make sure that you're logged into proper account. Now we can launch our WhatsApp. As you can see, the app welcomes us. Simply select your language, click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us notifications, and now in that place we need to type our phone number. Now you can type it manually, but you can also tap on what's my number, then click on continue, click on allow, and it will be automatically pasted. So let's click on use and now click on next. Okay, click on yes. Okay, and now we need to verify our phone number. We have the missed call function and also the code from the SMS message. Simply select the mode that you would like to use. I'll use missed call. So now click on continue. Now tap on allow. Currently it's requesting for a call, so we need to wait a little bit. Alright, verifying, verified, connecting. Okay, and after the loading we have something like that. We have the contacts, so now simply tap on continue. Now allow for everything that pops out on your screen. And now select restore from backup. Down below you can see the date of the last backup, so simply select it and click on continue. Don't click on skip because if you'll skip the process right now, you won't be able to do it later. So we need to do it right now, so select and click on continue. And now everything is being restored. In my case, it's not taking much time because I don't have a lot of messages. Okay, 14 messages restored, your media will restore in the background. So now click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo. If you're interested, all you need to do is to tap on that green button. Now click on next. Okay, and now we are ready to use our WhatsApp. And now I will show you that everything has been successfully restored, including photos, videos, and of course, normal messages. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.